original-IONChain, a platform to design and automate transactions between smart devices. In 1887, the famous Swedish physicist Arrhenius Svante proposed the theory of ionization. He stated that just like molecules and atoms, ions are also the basic particle of matter. Just like ions in physics, IONChain aims to become the underlying particle in the Internet of Things ecosystem. Through the IONChain protocol, IONChain will serve as the link between IoT devices, supporting decentralized peer-to-peer application interactions between devices. In the IONChain ecosystem, every IoT device that provides valuable data can act as a mini machine. Once connected to the IONChain network, a device will constantly contribute its calculated power via the ionization algorithm, and in turn receive IONC tokens as minimum reward. At IONChain will implement the following core concept called one device, one code, one coin. In this concept, device stands for the IoT device participating in the IONChain ecosystem. Coin stands for the cryptocurrency IONC. Code is a unique identification code which can also be used as a wallet for these IoT devices inside the IONChain network. The development and weak points of the Internet of Things. IoT network is the key component of a new generation of information technology, and it is also the indispensable stage of development in the information era. IoT stands for the Internet of Things, and it means that when we reach this stage of Internet development, the smart devices we use will be connected with each other. Therefore, IoT it is also named as the third wave of global information technology after computers and Internet. According to the statistics of IDC, an international data company based in USA, in 2016 the overall investment in global IoT market was $736.9 billion, and it's predicted that this number will increase up to $1,289.9 billion by 2020. It has been 20 years already since the concept of IoT was first proposed. However, at the stage we are today, there are still some serious unresolved issues like: first, business model of the IoT industry is still not established. 2. Lack of data security and privacy protection. 3. Lack of interoperability between platforms. 4. The shackles of cloud computing architecture. And now let's talk about the token. IONC is the official token of IONChain. It can be utilized by different participants in IONChain ecosystem. The maximum supply of IONC is 1800 million. It is going to be released gradually for 20 years. IONC token is the only authorized cryptocurrency which binds together all the participants of the IONChain ecosystem, allowing them to take part in the value creation process within the system. With more and more IoT data gradually uploaded to IONChain, the value of the whole ecosystem for big data analysis and all related use cases will keep increasing. IONC token can also be used in the following situations: rewards for the IoT device used as miners. The longer you hold the tokens, the bigger your chance to be elected as the IONChain council member, subject to the constitution and requirements therein. Compensations for the cost of running data search, statistics, and smart contracts analysis. Nodes running smart contracts will get awards accordingly. Each IONC coin can track its origins and can save and trace part of the data through the IONC currency. Now that we have the IONC token distribution: circulation 25%, mining rewards 25%, community construction and incentive 20%, R&D team 20%, and node incentive 10%. And finally, there we have an amazing team working hard on IONChain. And we have people like Terry Liu, CEO and founder, Robert Pham, Danny Yu, Chum-Che Lee, Eric Fang, Daniel Wu, and others. And if you want to know more about IONChain, go to the official page www.ionchain.org.